Hey guys,
Welcome back to our channel,
and today we are going to do
the line collection.
Well, I'm just doing three because that's how much I have. So I do want to pick three of her slimes. Yeah, and these are my slimes. I actually have four, but I'm really stressed out, but I don't know where I put them. So if you're wondering why I'm wearing the same clothes, because we made them the same day. Yeah. So, the first slime, Chitty. No, both of the same company. Right. So, first, we have, I have this orange slime, fluffy slime. I have this kind of blue thing, and me and her, we made a slime, which is, this was green slime at first. Like, we made it in three pieces. One part was green to cream.
The other one was green also, and the other one was green
and
also.
this one is super
But
fluffy.
we dyed one blue. I dyed one blue and one purple, and then I just left the green there, and then I mixed it, and then I made this color. So yeah, much explaining. She did hers, but it's in the closet. She called it poop slime. I call it, I don't know, nothing. We should have a name. So what do you want to name this slime? Cheesy? Like you always
Cream
call it?
cheese.
I want to call this, I don't know. Let's see.
Blueberry slime.
Oh yeah, blueberry slime. So that's
So
how,
then
wait. So then
I
I have purple slime.
have
Green slime.
green slime, and I'm gonna name this apple green. Green apple.
And this is a purple slime. We made it yesterday, which is my slime, and I will name it how you call grape.
And
Oh look,
this one is regular slime.
Oh yeah, this one is regular slime, and this is fluffy slime.
So
They're so noisy, so I can't do the noise. Let's try to do the noise.
hey,
Oh,
sorry guys.
I'm gonna just hold it a little bit.
This one is sticky.
Like that. Can you guys hear? That's the worst part, that you don't know if they can hear you. Wait, I'm gonna put it a little back.
Mine's a sticky slime.
Me too. I think I'm gonna add like a little bit of more shaving cream.
So
Or something.
this is the,
Not shaving cream, but this one. Another one.
This is super sticky.
Hey, it's more to you. It wasn't like that.
Like that. So this is sticky slime. Girl, do you even know how to set up this? But they're not gonna even see it. So
So, wait.
then
Then I have
pink slime,
I wanna
bubble slime.
I don't wanna name it sky blue.
I wanna name it cotton candy. I mean, yeah. This fluffy slime.
I wanna name this. This is fluffy slime. I wanna name this. No idea.
So this is mine.
I don't know. I want to name it like, I feel like I want a perfect name, but I forgot what. I want to name this blue raspberry ice cream, or I'm gonna name it blue raspberry.
So this is how it looks like.
This is it.
I'm just trying to do a bubble.
Wow, guys, look. How do you do it?
So that is my pink slime.
Look, guys, I want to tell you something. This is slow poke. This is fast poke. And this is Instagram poke. Wait. So yeah, that's good.
So that will be the end of this video. Please give it a big thumbs up.
And subscribe and
Make sure to turn on those post notifications so you never miss a new video.
actually smash that like button and let's do that. Bye.